Hey there! In this video, we will talk about caller ID setup options. Here, you will learn what a dynamic caller ID rule is, how to set up these rules, and how to manage your caller IDs. Dynamic caller ID rules help you reach your customers from all over the world with their local numbers. If the dialed number fits a previously created rule, the recipient will see the caller ID you have assigned. For example, you can create an automated rule so when you dial a number starting with 61, which is a prefix for Australia, your customers will see an Australian caller ID. You can create dynamic rules on the Dynamic Caller ID page in VoIP services. Click the plus sign next to the box showing the number of dynamic rules. In the window that pops up, enter your rule's name. Select if you want to apply this rule to all the calls, calls to a specific country, or calls to numbers starting with a certain prefix. Then, if needed, select the country or enter the prefix. Next, you can choose to keep the number you registered with your SIP account, hide your number from the call recipient, or select one of your verified DID numbers as the caller ID. Learn how to verify external DID numbers from another video. If you choose to use your verified number, you'll need to select it in the drop-down list. If you want your customer to identify you or your company when you are calling, set the caller ID name. Then, save the rule. All the rules you have created are stored in the table on the Dynamic Caller ID page. Here, you can also edit and delete your rules. Now, enable the newly created rule for your SIP account. On the SIP account editing page, go to the Caller ID tab and use the toggle next to the needed rule. Enjoy your communication!